Before natin puntahan yung Innova V, it's the top of the line. This one is jade green, okay? Meron kaming trade-in dito, okay? Just in case meron kang lumang sasakyan, trade-in mo na yun dito. You can use it as down payment, or just in case meron ka na palang existing approval, i-transfer mo na yan dito. Even sa other brands, okay? Transfer mo na yan dito, okay? Visit my TikTok and YouTube. Alright, puntahan natin yung Innova V, jade green. So guys, that's the Innova jade green. Okay, I have separate vlog for this, for the interior and inside and out. Pero dito, just gusto ko lang i-focus is this Innova jade green. Okay. So, the usual arrival for the Innova is this. Ang madalas is white pearl. So, yan. Bihirang magkaroon nitong jade green. So guys, hindi ko napapasukin yung interior nito dahil meron na akong separate vlog. I can send it to you. Just message me. Meron akong vlog for the interior, inside and out. So ito, i-focus ko lang is yung exterior. Gusto ko lang makita yung jade green. So, look at this Mag's design. Napaka-classic, diba? All silver, all chrome, and the size is 17-inch. And ang naka-install natin tires dito is Turanza, right? Okay. Yan. So guys, ang jade green is available only for the G and the V as in Victory variant. So guys, ulitin ko lang, I'm not gonna go inside. I just focus here sa exterior. Okay? Gusto ko lang ipakita itong jade green. Okay? So meron tayong integrated signal light. So usually yan talaga, ang integrated signal light is for the top of the line variants. Right? Nice. It's chrome design. Okay? For added elegance, and meron tayong silver line dito running across ang likod. Para tong Fortuner LTD. So the door design is this chrome design. Meron tayong smart entry both sides. Not just sa driver side, because itong side na to is for the passenger side, first row. Okay? That's the jade green. Okay? All door handles are chrome. Ganda. So, actually, ang design ng mags niya is not two-tone. Just because it's more on classic design, not the sporty look. Right? Madalas kasi ito, just like this one, this Corolla Cross, this one is two-tone. Nagpapasporty siya ng look. Pero dito sa Innova V, more on classic, more on elegance. Okay? Guys, engine power ang pinaglalabanan dito eh. Durability, tested to, subok to sa akyatan. Tanungin mo yung mga taga Baguio, ang dami nito sa Baguio daw. Sabi sa akin So, this one is the 2.8 engine indicator and this V as the top of the line. So, ito ang ganda lagi ng taillight nito. Para siyang boomerang. So, with spoiler, integrated. Okay? Shark fin antenna. Nice. Nice, nice. So, being the top of the line, of course, meron tayong 4 na backing sensors. So, 4 yung sensors natin combined with the backing camera. Yan. Diyan ako lagi Ewan ko na lang kung bumangga ka pa sa likod. Right? So, that's the jade green. Okay? It's 3 p.m. at the afternoon. Right? Sobrang init. I hope na-appreciate nyo yung jade green color for this Innova top of the line V. Okay? Guys, heads up ako kayo. Sobrang bihira ang unit na to. Okay? Hindi laging may supply nito. Ang mass production in the Philippines is the Innova XE. Right? So, yan. Against the light, ang dilim niya. Yan. Nakita ko yung design ng ilaw. Yan. So, meron tayong added sensor here sa front. This one is the signal light. Okay? That's not the fog lights. Ito yung fog light natin. Right? Yan. Oy, teka nga. Baka magalit na naman yung mga bashers natin. Ito nga pala yung price, guys, Innova V 1.8, 1,814,000. Okay, and na naman yung mga galit dahil wala daw price to. Okay, For the white pearl variant, additional 15,000. Yan. Sa pang-ikot Yan. Jade Green Innova, top of the line. Yan. And guys, by the way, ulitin ko lang, just in case meron pala kayong lumang sasakyan sa bahay, pwede nyo na i-trade in yan. Nice. That's a jade green. Okay. For the longest time, sa observation ko, ito ang may dumadating at saka white pearl. Okay. Last time may dumating Innova G. Alright. Black. Okay. So, highly suggested para sa mga ganitong variant. Any color na. Dahil sobrang bihira. Okay. Marami ako ibibigay sa inyong tips para hindi kayo ma-bluff. Dahil ang dami kong color nito na bluff, bigay ng 50, 100,000, pero ilang months na wala pa ring unit. Right? So that's the Innova Jade Green. Ipakita ko yung side, ha. Nice. Don't hesitate to call me, guys, ha. Huwag kayong mahiya. Okay? So ulitin ko, guys, ha. The mass production in the Philippines is the Innova XE variant. Yeah. Stop recording. So yan, sobrang quick lang ng vlog ko dahil meron na akong separate vlog for that. And that's the Innova V. That's the top of the line, guys. So ulitin ko lang, just in case meron ka palang lumang sasakyan sa bahay. Trade in mo na yan, okay? Then just in case meron ka na palang existing approval, especially kung sa other brands yan, pwede mo yun i-transfer dito. Okay? Well, so yun ang katatapusan natin. Vlog for this one, Veloz. And this one, Innova XE. Okay? Balik na tayo sa office. Woo! So ito just in case mag-visit kayo sa showroom, ito yung reception namin. That's the front door. Right? So ito yung PC section. When we call this PC, ito yung mga sedan, hatchback. Right? So quick tour lang inside our showroom. Okay, that's a Wigo. Raise. This one is a service door. Right, guys, meron kaming vending machine dito, You know. So guys, meron kaming restaurant. This one is at the second floor. Okay? So, yun yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Yun yung showroom, Right? So, yan yung stairs. Ito yung restaurant. Okay? Pwede na kayo kumain dito while waiting na ma-release natin yung sasakyan nyo. So, that's it. Bye again, guys.